Hey, it's Dr. Nicole McCauley with Breath of Life Wellness Center and Central Coast Chiropractic, and I am back with your daily health hack. Are you having a hard time focusing when working from home? Or are your kids having a hard time learning this new way of, learning? Oh my goodness, there's a lot going on. I am here to help. Let's look at the brain. We've talked before about how boy brains and girl brains learn, so let's revisit that and how this can help in what we're dealing with right now. Girl brains are excellent at sit down, face forward, focus. So blocking out a certain amount of time that we can sit at our computer or we can sit at our desk, getting up every 20 minutes, of course, blocking out that time to focus and just having a specific sit down and focus is very, very helpful for the ladies. However, we have a lot of white matter in our brains. So we have 11 times more white matter, and that makes us really good at doing a lot of things. So you would think having a lot of things going on all at the same time would be really helpful for our white matter. Unfortunately, that's not the case at all. We are excellent at focusing in on one thing when that's all we have to do. So if we want to increase our focus, setting a time or setting a special place where we can sit down one thing at a time and doing that will allow us to monotask, which will give our brains a little bit of relaxation and allow for extra creativity. Now, for the gentlemen that are on this message, what we can do for you is think about auditory information. So what that means is when you hear something versus reading it, you're more likely to retain it. So hearing as well as when you're moving. If you can move your body and listen at the same time, man, that you're golden. So listening to audiobooks is a great thing to do. Also on your computer or your phone, whatever you have there that you're using, if you can highlight and have it speak it to you, you're going to do a much better job. And if you can combine that with doing some type of exercise at home, maybe you're running on the treadmill, maybe you're out for a walk and you've got your earbuds in, whatever you can do to have an auditory input while you're moving, you are just going to be golden. That's good stuff. How does that work for your kiddos? If you have females that are learning at the computer, make sure and allow them the time and the space to just focus on one thing at a time. Set your alarms, though, to make sure that they get up and get some movement and some exercise, but try to block out specific time for them. Your young men, we want to make sure and have a more flexible schedule for that, making sure that they have the ability to get up and move. That's going to stimulate their gray matter, and it's going to help them to retain the information much better and much easier. So that is my advice to you. This is Dr. Nicole McCauley with Breath of Life Wellness Center and Central Coast Chiropractic, where we're elevating mind and body for you to live your best life. Stay healthy and well, my friends.